Hello children, today we are going to discuss a topic opposites with negative prefixes. We have learnt opposite words, but today we will learn about the opposites that are made with negative prefixes. Class 5, Subject English. Target learning outcomes. Know about prefixes. Know about negative prefixes. Write opposite of adjectives. Concept map. Negative prefixes. Root word. Then antonym. We add negative prefix to the root word to make the antonym. Like, there are so many prefixes in these words, different type of prefixes, but first of all we will learn about what are prefixes. What do you mean by prefix? A prefix is a group of letters, affixes added in front of a word to change its meaning. A negative adjective prefix. A negative adjective prefix is a negative prefix which is added to the adjective. So, the prefix which is added to the adjective to give opposite to give its opposite meaning is known as negative adjective prefix. There are some rules. As you can see, different type of negative prefixes are used in the words given in example uh, in previous slide. So there are some rules for it. There is no hard and fast rule for adding these prefixes, but some common rules are there. Number 1, un is the most common prefix. There are no hard and fast rules, but these rules works many times. These are common rules. Number 4, many words that have R as first letter. The words which have whose first letter is R, like responsible, regular, so relevant. So for these words, if we want to make antonym, we use ir as the. Let us discuss some examples for negative prefixes. In this, we will use prefixes un and dis. To disobey an order, to disbelieve a story, to disagree with someone, to unload a ship, to disapprove of someone, to dislike cheese. Now, prefixes ir, ill, im, in. An irresistible temptation, an impossible plan. So, we are using those rules. The word started with R, we use ir. For the word started with P, we use im. For the word started with homework. So students, this is your homework. You have to fill in the following page in your book. This page is given in English book of class 5, and you have to fill the antonyms of these words, these adjectives, by using negative prefixes un, im, and dis. There is also one question. One more question is there. Fill in the blanks by adding un, im, dis to the words in the box. These words are given. We have to use un, im, and dis and use the word on their proper place in the given sentences. So this is the home assignment for this chapter, for this topic. Thank you.